Hello, how are you guys? Today we are going to solve problem from a hacker rank. Actually, I have been practicing my Java language from last 1 or 2 months. Now I have recently joined hacker rank, and now I am gaining a skill through hacker rank. I have been doing some exercise on hacker rank. First of all, I have done problem solving exercise. I think I have completed around 5% of that exercise. Now I have been thinking that I have to attempt Java exercise. So I have been doing these exercise, and so now I'm thinking that why don't we make a video of our practice, so it will be easy for me to check out my practice later, maybe when I got success. Java. Okay, so apart from chit chat, let's focus on our problem. Okay, let me zoom it. Yeah, so there is a problem, end of life in computing. End of life, commonly abbreviated end of life, is a condition in computer operating system no more data can be read from a data source. Okay, and the challenge here is to read n lines of input until you reach end of file, then number and print all n lines of a content. Okay, hint is Java's scanner dot has next method is helpful. Okay, good. Input format, read some unknown n lines for of input from system.in until you reach end of file. Each line of input contain a non-empty string. Okay, output format, for each line print the line numbers followed by a single space and then the line content received as input, like hello world I am file readme until end of life, for hello 1 hello world 2 I am la file 3 readme until end of file. Okay, okay, so let's okay, wait a minute, what happened, not working, so maybe I have to, I'm not able to write. Wait a minute, guys. System is hang, page unresponsive. Wait for a minute. Maybe page. Let's reload this page. Maybe page become responsive. Let's see. Okay, so I have read all the terms and condition. Let's go on. Maybe you all guys can see this. If not, let me zoom it, let me full screen it, and okay, 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 that is not good, looking good. Let me exit from full screen. Now let's begin with the problem. I have to show you that how it can be achieved. So I have to yeah, hope you are able to see it. So I have to take an input from the user. So first, for that I have to define a scanner function, scanner, and I have to define a name. Let's name it scan is equal to new scanner. That is very old task that we are performing. Scanner same all things system dot in. Okay, oops, yeah. So we already defined our object to take an input from the user. Now let me define a integer int with a 1. There is a reason behind it that I am considering this variable as a 1, because my every line start with 1, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so I have decided that my input first value of the variable will be 1. So let's create a while loop. While in while loop I have saying that scan dot uh, has next. It means that if there is a, it will work till there is a line. Okay, it will work till there is some line to read for for my system. In this so okay, so I have to read input from the user now. So let me describe a string variable to read the input from the user. So there is a basic function, we all know that, scan that next line to read the input from the user. It's very okay, it's very basic thing. So simple. Now I will print the command system dot okay. I forget the print command. Okay, let me complete it. System.out.println. Simple. First value will be I plus some space plus an input command. That's it. But I have to increase the value of I every time when there is an input. Okay. So I think I am done here. Let me run this code and hope there is no error. Yo, our sample test case is pass. Let me submit this code and test case 0, test case 1. Finally we have done this test. Hope you understood it. Here we are done. Papa.